Hiya, 17th of December, Advent calendar unboxing. First one is the Ciaté, and really cute little box. Let's have a look. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Nail superhero helps harden nails to prevent breaking, peeling and splitting. Well, we all need that, don't we? Especially the splitting and breaking and peeling. So, I guess it is nail superhero nail treatment. Okay. So, whether you put it on first or not, I'm not sure. Have to look that one up. Doesn't actually tell me on the bottle, but no instructions inside. We'll look that one up definitely. So we go on to where's 17 gone. It has totally vanished, but not quite. Do you reckon it's a white ball? It's not going to be a bear because that's too small. Oh, I was wrong on both counts. It's one of the little chucky bars. I'll take that out in a minute. But they're always yummy. And then 17 from Marks and Spencer. Little gingerbread man. No other writing on it. Oh, we have got some other writing. Look out mistletoe. We have a tube of Ren Clean Skincare. Keep youthful and beautiful. Instant firming beauty shot. For what part of us? Apply 2 or 3 drops to clean face. Follow with moisturiser. Reapply over moisturiser or makeup throughout the day as needed. When applying over makeup, gently pat your skin until absorbed. Do not rub. Oh, well, that's interesting. I would definitely give that a go. American brand. I'm sure I've heard of them, but I don't think I've had any of their things. Brilliant. Good stuff. Okay. Well, that's all our goodies for today. I'll get the chocolate out in a minute. I'm going to have to look at that. That's what I need. Look at that. Oh, so annoying. Okay. Well, thanks. Please like, subscribe, and visit again tomorrow. Bye.